What you doing? You just playing? Cutie. You're happy baby today. You got pink on your outfit, but that's okay.
Why does he have pink on his outfit?
Because mommy washed his clothes with a red shirt and turned everything pink. Hi, sweetheart. Who's the happy baby just chilling? You're getting bigger. You're getting bigger, babe. I don't like it. What you doing? Make some noises. Make some noises for mama. Oh, you got a mad face. What are you looking at?